Hello, this is Up. Today I'm going to make a card wallet, but this time it's going to be a slightly different type of card wallet, a MagSafe card wallet. Of course, there are already plenty of MagSafe card wallets available on the market, and the most famous ones are even sold by Hermes. While it won't have the same level of magnetic strength as those, I'll try to make it practical enough to use. There is nothing particularly special about it. It's essentially a basic card wallet, but with magnets embedded inside. Someone once asked in the comments if it's okay to have magnets close to a phone. To give you the answer upfront, there is absolutely no problem. Many phone cases already have magnets built in, and even the iPhone MagSafe has magnets inside the phone itself. For this project, I used cow leather, thinned down to 0.5 millimeter. The thread I used is linen thread from Macy, and the pricking iron I used has a spacing of 3.38 millimeter. Since the leather is very thin, I bonded two pieces together, but if you are using slightly thicker vegetable tanned leather, you can use it as is. However, the leather that directly touches the phone should be thin. If it's too thick, the magnetic force will weaken and it might not work as you originally intended. After making and testing it, I found that the magnetic strength is weaker than the ones sold on the market, but it's still usable. The magnets I used were purchased from AliExpress, and I think the result could have been better if the magnets had been slightly stronger. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also support my channel by joining the membership program. For more details, check out the end of this video or the description box below. I'll see you again in next video. Thank you.